This 5-minute solution will show you how to get your streak back on Snapchat. Follow these simple steps to get back your Snapchat streaks. Open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile photo at the top left, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down and tap on I need help. Tap on I lost my snap streak. Tap on I lost my snap streak. Tap on this 3-line icon at the top right. Tap on contact us. Select I lost my snap streak. Scroll down. Select I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak. Scroll down. Still need help. Select yes. Reason for contacting Snapchat support. Select any option from here. Enter here your Snapchat account username. Enter here your email address, which one associated with your Snapchat account. And you can add your mobile number here and it's optional. And enter here the date of attempt snapstreak restoration. Enter here your friend username and enter here your snapstreak length. And here carefully describe that you lost your snap streak and you want to get back your streak. Then all you have to do is just submit this form. And that's how you can get back your Snapchat streak. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.